Hey bud, how you doing? How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for tuning into our daily dog walk on Tuesday the 7th of June. It's the morning walk. I'm out with the little guys. We're about halfway around, but don't tell anyone that I'm doing this earlier. And we're a bit tired. We're already a little bit worn out, which is great. Stay with us so I'll show you how we got worn out. You're the wrong one today. Come on. These doggies. Look at all these doggies. Look at all these doggies. Get him, Alfie. Get him. Good boy. Alright guys, I'm wrapping up. Stay tuned for an extra bit right at the very end with little Alfie. I can guarantee he doesn't want to come in the van first time. If you've enjoyed our day, which we have, we've had a great morning, please do me a favour, interact with the page a little bit. Drop us a little like, comment on it, subscribe so you don't miss the videos, and share. And we will see you on the next walk. Take care. Show me the belly. Show me the belly. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Good boy.